What is my position? Oh shit, there are people behind me.
Okay.
Bro, D-Man, we joined when there were 3 people, now there are 24. We are fucked.
Yeah, dude.
Okay,
People are
positions.
fucking
What
over.
positions are you guys?
I am
I'm
P16.
18.
13.
Hey, Amaze, you're 17.
Yeah.
13.
It
Oh,
says
yeah, you're.
18 on my.
I'm 13. I'm in front of you guys.
Okay,
Yeah,
we are
yeah.
gonna get
Just
fucked.
for the start.
And you have Sunil in front of you.
No. Jump start.
3 jump starts
Oh,
in
that
front of
was
me.
you.
3 jump starts in front of me.
Epic. Shit, sorry.
What the fuck?
Fucking
What the
hell,
fuck?
dude.
What the fuck?
Okay, no.
Oh wow.
I got one on the left, one on the right. Oh, sorry.
Okay, that was some.
Why?
There was some happening, some entertainment. Sorry.
Oh, first chicane is second chicane. Second chicane is full of people spinning.
Yeah, because they would have had dirt all on their tires from the first chicane.
Dude, I have completely lost
What the
feedback on
fuck
my
are you
wheel. I don't know
braking
why.
there for? Ah, second decimal, you don't brake like that. Come on.
Dude, second Lesmo, I have a traffic jam at like 60 kilometers an hour.
Dude, what the fuck? Oh,
What?
Yeah, my
65% crash. I just saw 60% crash.
Yeah,
my best guess is
And
some guy in
my
second
feet.
decimal tried to take away a penalty.
Dude, the straight after the Lesmos,
Yeah, it's pure chaos. I just
it's
came
a
to
wreck
the fix.
fest.
Yeah, it's wreck fest. My feedback has stopped working on my wheel. I don't know why. What the fuck?
Okay, which positions are we on now?
Dude, I am just hopping to the pits because my steering column is broken.
Where real life?
No, in the virtual car.
I don't see anybody.
I'm 10th.
Yeah, because half the grid is in the pits.
Connection issue बोल रहा है.
No, bro, the server seems fine to me.
Okay, then my game has crashed. I'll be back.
Fucking retard.
10 seconds.
Nah. I quit.
What?
Yeah, I think Sunil. I think Sunil hopped back to the pits.
Whoa.
I am P19 and I have P1 just 20 seconds behind me. Amazing.
I like racing, but I never had a clean first lap. Guy in the chat.
तेरी भैंस की आंख.
What was that?
That was me saying, "Oh crap! I just shit myself."
What language was that?
Yeah, that was Hindi.
Well,
Hey, did
sometimes
Kiran just
sometimes you will hear me
bounce?
say something like "Hijo de la puta madre que te parió." And that would
Yeah,
be
puta madre.
Puta madre.
yeah, you get that one.
Yeah, we get that one.
You heard that, huh? Okay. Desmond, fierce Desmond, fucking crash in front of me.
I love how it sounds like we are all pilots and our planes are crashing and these are our last words.
Amaze, can't hear you, bro. Audio's a little low. Hey, Kiran आया था ना? I mean, Kiran had joined. No, where is he?
Yeah, he rejoined, I guess.
Anyone still in the
Man,
race?
Yeah, I am still there. P18 approaching the last corner.
Oh, you're P8?
P18.
18, okay.
Yeah, where are you?
P7.
And what part of the track are you on? Second chicane.
Second Desmond. After
Oh,
second
okay.
Desmond.
I just beautifully, as smooth as butter, that particular overtake. I just overtook P16 as smooth as fucking butter.
Feels good, right?
Yeah, dude. Feels awesome. Actually, it was not really my skill, but that guy just braked way too early.
Still feels good.
Yeah, still feels good.
Crossing start line now. I've got no one in front of me. Oh, there's one. But it's after the chicane, so there's no chance for me to get him. Not in 2 laps. Oh,
Dude,
well,
don't rejoin.
there's one.
Oh fuck, yeah.
There's one stuck on the wall there.
Hey, I have Kiran in front of me. Hey, Kiran Fado, what is up, bro? Hey, idiot. Abey.
Can I just say one thing?
Yeah.
I've been driving without DRS all these laps.
Wow. Epicness, bro. Epicness.
How do you start the DRS?
How do you what?
You said you were driving without DRS.
Yeah.
Does this
I forgot.
car has DRS?
Yeah, this car has DRS, dude.
Okay, me too then. Because I don't know where to activate or something.
Okay,
Oh,
so first
shit.
of all, you'll have to go check if your DRS button is mapped or not.
Okay, I'll do, but not now because I'm gonna turn, you know.
Okay, do you use Sidekick or do you use the default Assetto apps only?
I just jump in the game and race. No idea
Ah.
about the little things.
Okay, then the after this race, once you confirm once you map your DRS button and you come back to race, open the electronics app from the right side of the screen.
Okay, I can map that one. I have buttons on my wheel. I have 3 cars in front of me that are fighting like biatches.
Yeah, so
I hope they
after
crash.
race, we'll
Give me speed!
God of Thunder, given speed.
Wow, Kiran just rammed my fucking ass. Why, bro? Why?
Dude, I think Kiran ka mic is not on.
Yeah, but his eyes are right.
Big crash, big crash.
Where?
The start line.
Oh, because it's the last lap? Is
Yep.
it?
Yep. And I was not involved, that is great.
Man, I'm shit slow on the last corner.
Bro, I'm shit slow everywhere in this fucking game.
I can't reach 130. I'm still stuck at 131.
I
I
can't.
just pulled a 128.42.
I just saw someone pull a 127.
Bro, इसमें straight line tuning करना पड़ेगा तेरे को. सब
Dude, I
सब
believe
time
that-
straight line में ही है.
Dude, I believe that is why the guy whose tuning I'm using has reduced the ride height to almost nothing.
Yeah, but that's too less, dude. I mean, like, for me personally.
I don't know why there is a car parked after the second chicane on the left side. Like, parked on the road in between the white lines.
That's it. Final turn. And my final position is 4th.
Hey, epic, bro.
Nice.
No, huh?
Nice. From 13th to 4th. Oh gosh, that was intense. And I know I didn't do fast lap as the other guys. But I didn't crash.
And plus, you didn't have DRS on.
Yeah, but I didn't crash. My best lap was, let's see, 32.
I have finished one lap behind? Oh, okay.
132. And the fastest guy, again, 127. That guy is,
127.809, the fastest guy.
that
Where are
dude
you
is,
seeing this?
Where what?
Where are you seeing this in the timetable?
Ha.
Ah, 127. क्या हरामी है बेंचोद.
Yeah, dude.
अरे क्या पका रहा है? The thing is now that if you spectate somebody, right, it looks like an idiot is driving the car because I don't know why it doesn't show you the exact line and it always seems like the person is being very abrupt with their throttle and this thing. But then the lap time is 127.
pero Daniel,